Juliet.
Hi.
How old are you?
5.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
Astronaut.
Do you want to go to the moon?
No. I want to go and be the first person on Mars.
Okay. Do you think you know a lot about our solar system?
Yeah.
Do you want to answer some questions?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you tell me the names of the planets from the closest to the sun?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay. Do you know how many dwarf planets there are?
There is 6.
And do you know the names of the dwarf planets?
Yep. Pluto, Makemake, Aries, Ceres, Haumea, and V77 1404.
Good. And do you know what the smallest planet is?
The smallest planet is Mercury.
And what is the planet that's closest to the sun?
It is Mercury.
And what is the hottest planet?
It is Venus.
And what is Venus's core made out of?
It is made out of iron.
And how many moons does Venus have?
It has none.
And what's the biggest planet?
The biggest planet is Jupiter.
And what's the name of Jupiter's biggest moon?
Ganymede.
And which planet has rings?
Saturn. It's
Oh, go ahead.
made out of ice, dust, and rock.
And what is Saturn's biggest moon?
It is Titan.
And do you know another planet that has rings?
It is Uranus.
And how many rings does it have?
14.
And do you know what the gas giant planets are?
It is Jupiter and Saturn,
And what about icy gas giants?
Uranus and Neptune.
And on which planets does it rain diamonds?
It rains on Jupiter and Saturn.
And how many rovers are on Mars?
2, sending information back to Earth.
And how long does it take for light to get from the sun to Earth?
8.5 minutes.
And which planet is on its side?
It is Uranus.
And what is it called when a star dies?
A supernova.
And what are stars?
They are big balls of gas.
And what planet spins the opposite way of the other planets?
Venus.
And what planet has the biggest volcanic mountain?
It is Mars.
Do you know the name of the mountain?
Olympus Mons.
And could you land on Jupiter?
No,
Why not?
because it is just gas and you would fall right through it.
And what is the red spot on Jupiter?
It is called the Great Red Spot and it is an enraging storm.
And which planet is called the red planet?
It is Mars
And why is it red?
because of the soil's iron.
And what used to be a planet but's now a dwarf planet?
Pluto. Poor Pluto's a dwarf planet.
And which planet has no atmosphere?
It is Mercury.
And how many moons does Mars have?
2.
Do you know their names?
Phobos and Deimos.
And which planet is the closest in size to the Earth?
It is Venus.
And do you know what gases mostly make up the sun?
It is hydrogen and helium.
Good. And let's see, do you want to answer any more questions?
A little.
A little? Okay, how many days does it take Mercury to get around the sun?
88
Yes.
days?
Yes. And do you know how many moons Jupiter has?
It has 67.
Good. And how many moons does Earth have?
1.
1. And where is the asteroid belt? Between what two planets?
Mercury, Mars, and Jupiter.
There we go. And I think that's good for today. Thanks for answering all my questions.
Bye.
Bye.